High up in the sky, very, very high, there were thousands and thousands of stars. And one of those stars was a little star named Lumi. Lumi was small. She was the smallest star in the whole sky. But every night, she shone with all her heart. She loved to shine. It made her feel happy. It made her feel alive. But one night, something strange happened. Lumi tried to shine. She tried very hard. But nothing came out. No light. No glow. No sparkle. She looked at her hands. They were gray. They were cold. She looked at the other stars. They were all shining bright. But she was not. Lumi felt very scared. "What happened to my light?" she whispered. "Where did my shine go?" Lumi was embarrassed. She didn't want the other stars to see her. She didn't want them to ask, "Lumi, why are you not shining?" So she hid. She went behind a big, soft cloud. She sat there alone. Very quiet. Very still. She thought, maybe tomorrow my light will come back. Maybe tomorrow everything will be okay. But tomorrow came, and her light was still gone. Then, a big, warm light appeared. It was the moon. The moon was old and wise. He had a kind face and a gentle voice. "Lumi," said the moon, "I can see you behind the cloud. Why are you hiding?" Lumi was quiet. Then she said slowly, "I lost my shine. I don't know why. I am afraid." The moon smiled softly. He said, "I know, little star. I know. Come with me. I want to show you something." The moon took Lumi down, lower and lower, until they could see the earth below. They looked at a small house. Inside, through a window, a little girl was sleeping. And on the window, there was a drawing of a star, a small, bright, beautiful star. "She drew that for you," said the moon quietly. Lumi's eyes went wide. "For me?" she asked. "Yes," said the moon. "Every night, she looks out her window to find you. She calls you her special star. She is waiting for you, Lumi." Lumi flew back to her place in the sky. She closed her eyes. She thought about the little girl. She thought about the drawing on the window. She took a deep breath. And she tried. She tried with her whole heart. For a moment, nothing happened. She felt like giving up. She felt like crying. But then, she felt something. Something small. Something warm. Something deep inside her chest. A tiny feeling. Like a tiny flame. And then whoosh. Light. Beautiful, warm, golden light. Lumi was shining. She was shining so brightly, even brighter than before. She laughed. She cried. She spun and spun in the sky. Below her, a little window lit up. A small face appeared, the little girl. She was awake. She looked up at the sky. She saw Lumi shining. And she smiled the biggest smile. "There she is," the little girl whispered. "My star is back." And from that night, Lumi understood something important. She understood that sometimes we lose our light. Sometimes we feel afraid. Sometimes we want to hide. But our shine never really goes away. It is always inside us. We just need to be brave enough to let it come out. Today, let's remember some words from our story. Shine, to give light, to glow. Afraid, feeling scared, feeling worried. Brave, not afraid to try, even when it is hard. Glow, a soft, warm light. Hide, to go somewhere so others cannot see you. Courage, the strength to try, even when you feel scared. Good night, little star. Keep shining. The world needs your light.